Here is our post-Sandy living hell, which we are embarking on the cleanup of, the organization of. We're taking all the shit and throwing it in the garbage, taking all the scrap and throwing it in the scrap. 1929 Johnson. Outboard. Garbage. Garbage. We're going to use the Scooby-Doo van, not only to scrap all this crap, but to cut that container up over there in pieces and scrap that as well. This is my living hell. And it gets worse everywhere we go. This is the before video of the shop. The clutter. Hold on, I'm filming here. More what? I don't think so. Maybe at the other location we do. Alright, so this is the living hell which we are trying to dig out from. And boy does it suck. I better stop cursing. Here's my new office for now, which is a nightmare in itself. Well, at least the office is coming around. Granite, porcelain, mirrors. I'm going to do the right thing in here. Alrighty then, so here it is. My living hell.